Well, good morning, everybody. This is what the world looks like today. Sidewalks have been shoveled again, and it looks like we've got between 18 inches in some spots and 2 feet in others. I think a lot of it has to do with what's been shoveled out, though. It's a beautiful morning. I will have to shovel my walk very, very soon. I'm not looking forward to that. Ooh. Here's my knees this morning in the sidewalk. Remember, this is the walk that was shoveled yesterday. And here's a lot of the cars. They're mostly covered. Oh, let's see if I can get out into the street. It gets pretty deep when I go out here. But they came and plowed about 11 o'clock last night. Oh, wow. And it's all ice now. Careful, it's ice. Okay, back up between the cars. What a beautiful day. Found the sidewalk again. Okay. Well. Oh wow. I woke up this morning to sunshine in my windows. I think it's going to be a beautiful day. Very clear. Oh God, that is heavy and deep snow. And very, very cold. Since I went up to the street yesterday, I think I shall go to the park today. Get up on the hill, see some sunshine. And nobody has plowed over this direction. There is a fantastic hill. It might even be deep enough for sledding. I don't know. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Oh, I'm so out of breath now. Snow has settled quite a bit. It was very light and fluffy yesterday, and while it is still fairly powdery, it seems to have become much thicker, and slogging through it up to my knees is a much more difficult enterprise than yesterday. Oh my goodness. Get a look. It's beautiful. Wonder if I sit down. Oh, that's not too bad actually. I didn't sink down too far. Of course, getting up again is going to be a nightmare. Man, this is actually thick enough, I think, to ski on. This is an awful lot of snow. But it is gorgeous. Good morning, sunshine. Oh my gosh. I love this. I'm gonna hate it tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna suck. I have to scrape off my porch and get my, ooh. Okay, now I gotta get up again. Oh shoot. I didn't think about the fact that I'm going to have to get my arm down to the ground in order to leverage myself up. Where's the ground? There's the ground. Okay. Dug myself out of spot so I could get down to it without sticking my sleeve in the snow. Ugh. Okay, got myself up on my knees. Alright, rest of the way up. Thank goodness for waterproof pants. Although my coat's not so waterproof. Alright. Oh man, I wish I had a pair of skis. This would be awesome. Not quite steep enough though. Oh, something fell into the snow. Wonder if it was a little birdie. Looks like little birdie wings. And grabbed something. There's no trees around for that to fall from. Some other little animal movement stuff over there. I imagine this must have been a bit of a nightmare for the squirrels and such. Alright. Wow. The snow is all sparkling. It's so pretty. Almost to the top of the hill. And then I will rest again. You'd think, because this is where the wind could get at it, the snow would be less deep up here. It's not. It's not at all. Wow. That's beautiful. I've never seen so much untouched snow in my life. Outside like a ski resort. Okay. I think I'll go back by way of the road. My way up was not very easy. Oh, I love this. And I haven't had breakfast yet. Wow. Maybe I should do that next. I'll talk to you guys later.